ah,
600 yen.
600 yen.
So,
Tapos
PHP.
ito, 400 yen.
Grabe.
490.
So, magkano yun sa peso? Ang ganda yung dapa. Walang... Nakayushake.
Ito nabili namin, guys. So, lahat yan, guys, 8,700 yen. So, more or less mga 3K.
And then we got...
Gyoza.
Gyoza. You want to heat this na?
Yeah, I'll heat it now.
Dito na kami, guys.
Meron din kaming tempura.
I like the I'll get this.
We don't have meatballs. Saging.
Also kiwi. Yeah.
Heat it in the microwave.
Ito yung saging na nakuha ko. Pero kasi yung brother ko, plant-based siya. I mas prefer
Kiwi.
yung plainer saging. May mic ka ba? Para
Yes.
hindi masyado natipid pag And then kiwi, we need lots of vitamin C.
We have mustard.
Why is it?
Mustard.
So,
Your parents are...
eggplant ata to eh. So, ano ba to?
Mama.
Tingnan natin.
So, eggplant ata to eh. Yeah, parang ano to, coated eggplant. Sige lang, i-google translate ko ba. And then, kumuha kami ng mga noodles. Parang mag-DIY kami ng noodles. Bumili kami ng udon soup. Ayan, greens. Ayan, ano yan?
Sweet potato. Sweet potato tempura.
Tama yung hinala mo. Alam mo, 100 yen lang to.
Yan.
Oo, parang around siguro
40 pesos. Tapos ito,
And then we have ito. Hindi natin yan alam, guys. Ang alam
ito
natin
free
is-
lettuce.
Eat what you want to eat na.
Ito yung favorite ng mga kids.
Yes.
Favorite ng mga kids yan.
Ito, guys. favorite
Yung may
ng mga
kanin
kids.
sa loob. Tapos mga noodles.
Yeah,
Noodles.
DIY. Parang tayong may udon kit.
Yeah. Tapos ito,
Udon soup.
udon soup. So para tayong nag-e-eco, no? Dual
ayan,
hall.
Gyoza. Gyoza, guys. Nasa
Tapos we have tofu. For Totomon. Tofu.
Ito, seryoso, parang fish.
Para mukha siyang pisig. Ito yung favorite naming rice dito.
Siomai.
Yung kulay violet. Tapos may siomay din sila. Yung favorite din nilang mga siomay.
Siomai.
And then, of course, we got siomai because we are the siomai masters.
Siomay masters. And
Can I show natin ito? Or is it the same?
we also have eggs. 10 pieces.
Oh, you can...
Yung eggs nila dito, yung madilaw, yung loob, yung dilaw na dilaw.
We got some eggs, guys. Ganyan lang. And then, ito mukha siyang... Ano na siya?
Mukhang pinamimigay lang nila yung plastic. Sobrang daming plastic na pinamigay. Ano to? Gyoza ulit. Gyoza. Siomay. So, 3-5 siguro tatagal na to hanggang tomorrow. No?
Ito may rice inside.
As, another gulay. Gulay mo, may isa ka pang gulay. Oh.
Yes, I'll eat baby, can you eat?
Yeah. So, we also have beef misono.
Okay, we're gonna eat.
Around 429 yen. 429 yen.
rice.
Yes, yung the purple one. Then we also have tempura again with rice. Oishi.
Ohio. Ohio.
As water, mineral water.
Tama mo nga ba?
Hindi ko nakita kung magkano yung... Itong corn nila dito parang around 55. Ready to eat. Sa Tokyo yung nabili namin is around 40 pesos.
Mura kasi sa hiray eh.
Mura dun sa area. Tapos eto, hindi ko alam. Tingnan natin kung ano ito.
Eh, pala mga in the K-dramas. They always say,
Baby, while you're waiting, can you
Sabi,
arrange na?
home fried tofu daw to guys. So mukha siyang fish cake. Ito, yan o. Mukha siyang fish cake. Ano to ma'am, binili mo?
my
pampalasa.
favorite.
Yeah, pampalasa.
Guys, try nyo to
Ah.
pag pumunta kayo dito. Huwag nyo yung kakalimutan.
Huwag nyo tong kakalimutan. Sa rice pag hinalo nyo, sobrang sarap.
Okay, lagyan mo na sa mag-arrange ka na.
MSG. MSG. Joke lang. So, nakita nyo guys, sobrang dami nung na-haul. So, around 3,000 plus. Yeah, fresh yung foods. Saka healthy.
Baby ako. Sige, abot ko sa'yo.
So, that's it for the haul.
Dalawang kamay mo niya.
Ano yung mga gutom?
I'm eating the unang.
Heating, not anything. You're heating. Ang cute mo. So, ito yung favorite nila, guys. Actually, gusto ko rin to. Wow. Sarap din to, guys. Thank you, Lord. Ay, ma! Magugustuhan mo to?
I need to
Siomay naman.
I need to prepare the food first. For everyone. Wait, do you have scissors?
Soup.
Where's the rice? Ohio.
What are you eating?
Corn.
Corn. Can I try also? Mmm. Sweet corn, guys. Ang sarap. It's so good. Mmm.
It's fine now.
What are we gonna eat first?
So, ito yung food namin for today. This morning,
Pahaya
we have noodles, kids rice, and dim sum.
Oh my, it's morning eh.
Ito yung strawberry.
Oh,
I can use this.
Mm.
Let's start small after.
wow, parang pat lang ah. Mmm.
Mm. Mm.
Papi, so agenda natin today.
Gio.
No, so we're gonna chill muna until, siguro mamaya na hanggang gumising si kuya. Tapos we'll go home early. Kasi I need to work. Siguro mga 3 na.
Ayos na tayo na 3?
Oo.
Dito?
Mag-work ba yan?
G-edit ako.
We need to study then.
Mag-work ako.
We need to study then.
Okay.
How was your, sleep sa room niyo?
Good naman. So good.
So, so warm?
It's like Henan.
Yeah, laughing ano.
Mm.
Yeah, that's what I told Mia last night. I told Mia, if you close your eyes and pretend that it's like henna, you will think it is henna.
No, it's mostly Wagyu.
Just Wagyu. But, you know, our cholesterol is,
Mama and Papa said, we need to take care of our health. Kasi every time we go to travel, we have unhealthy. We get our tests done and like we're borderline diabetic, where our cholesterol is high. So, sabi ko, Papa, how are we gonna do it? What we discussed is we're gonna focus on natural food. Diba usually we...
So, Japan na talaga.
No, in our trip.
The Cheers.
Japan, strawberry.
Strawberry.
Let's do it.
Mmm. Sarap.
Sarap.
Ah!
Manamis-namis.
Sakto lang, hindi matamis.
Matamis. Saktong tamis. Konting asim.
How was it? Yan yung niya.
It's good.
It's fine.
It's only... It's around 698 yen.
Divide by 3.
200 pesos. Sa lalaki, sulit na.
Everyday na to.
Oh.